Good evening, everyone. I am Deepak. Today, my topic of presentation is applications of Rhodophyceae. Next slide. Yeah, Rhodophyta. It's actually commonly it's another called as red algae. These are actually eukaryotic, characterized by this red pigment, and this red pigment is because of the presence of phycoerythrin, phycocyanine, and allophycocyanine in this cell wall. And there are around 2,500 to 6,000 species. Among them, 600 to 700 species are like marine habitats. And these red algae are ecologically important as they are the primary producers in the marine ecosystems, and they are the primary producers and for food for the fishes and other aquatic organisms. And they also provide this structural habitat for these organisms, and some of these red algae are actually economically important, which we are going to see in our next slide. And the systematic position of these Rhodophyceae are this comes under the division Rhodophycota, the class Rhodophyceae, and subclass Floridae, order Gelidales, family Gelidaceae, genus Gelidium, and species Cartilaginum. And we'll just go briefly on this morphology and reproduction and all. The morphology of this, it's branched and it looks like a plant, and they have a double cell wall, and the outer layer contains of polysaccharides containing agarose, and from where the agar is extracted, and the inner cell wall mostly contains of cellulose. And next, coming for the reproduction, there are the majorly three types of reproduction. That is vegetative reproduction through fragmentation, and the asexual reproduction happens by the non-motile spores, and sexual reproduction happens by the non-motile gametes. And coming for our topic of discussion, the economic importance. And these red algae are widely used in many industries. And some of these genus and species which are used in different industries are as follows. Geladium, this is a genus which is used in making agars. And Graliaceae, these are the genus which are also used in the production of agars, which are used for this in food industries as a thickening agent or an solidifying agent. And the main products of these red algae are agar and carrageen and nori. And this agar is mainly used in food, cosmetics, and other industries for this. Like as agar is used for the solidifying agents and as in medias. And some of the medicinal properties are some species have some medicinal properties. For example, Corallina species is capable of curing these worm infections, and Polysyphonia has an antibacterial properties, and agar, as I mentioned before, is having a laxative properties, and carrageenan can coagulate blood. It can be used as the coagulating blood. Next. And in food industries like these, red algae are majorly in Japanese cuisines. They are used directly consumptions, and some algae, for example, of rhodomenia, is used for the as fodder for these livestock. And Prophyra nori, also called as nori, it is commercially produced around all over the Japan and other Chinese continents for the of these seaweed rolls, seaweed wraps, which is used for sushis and all, which is a delicacy there. And as I mentioned before, the three main important extracts from this algae are agar, carrageenan, and Prophora nori. And agar, as I said, they used in this for solidifying agents and in microbial industries and all. Carrageenan is mainly used in these food industries for dairy products, in cheese, curds, and other creams and all, as a solidifying agents and also as a bonding agents between these the colloids. And the not only economic importance, these algae are also having harmful effects on the ecosystem, as they actually block the sunlight entering the oceans, and also consumes the oxygen in the ecosystem, and in turn reducing the oxygen contents in the ecosystem and affecting the marine wildlife, and in turn the mortality of the wildlife, as they reduce the oxygen content, and also they release some toxic materials into them. Yeah, this is the end of my slide. Thank you.